Users are employees who can log in to the software. To add an employee, go to the Employees form, right-click in the list of employees, and choose Add. Type in the employee's name. A title could also be added if applicable. To add an image of the employee, right-click the silhouette and choose Import. This will open the File Explorer and you can browse to the location of the image. Click on the image you want and press Open. Follow the instructions on the top of the window to size the picture the way you'd like it, and then click OK. This employee image will display on the time clock when the employees are clocking in. Employees can be categorized by types. To do this, click on Type where it says None. If you do not have any types, you can add them by right-clicking and adding and typing in the type of employee that you'd like. In this case, I'm going to make a couple. I'll have a full-time employee. I'll have part-time employees, and seasonal. In this example, we'll make this employee a part-time employee. We can also set this employee's direct supervisor. If I click None, I'll get the list of other employees, and we'll choose this employee to be his supervisor. Okay, we'll now focus on this section under Login. This is where we actually set this employee up as a Crow's Nest user. At this point, he's just an employee in the system, but we'll go ahead and check this Can Log In box. This will allow him to log into Crow's Nest. The screen name will be the name that he uses to log into the Crow's Nest software. And we'll go ahead and set a password for Justin by choosing Change Password. This will open a box where we can enter in a password for Justin. And we'll click OK. The external ID and the PIN 4 digits field are the login for this employee on the Crow's Nest mobile app. That is the Android application or the iOS application. The external ID can be any combination of text and numbers. The PIN 4 digits must be a 4-digit numeric PIN. In practice, I usually like to keep the screen name and the external ID the same. That way the employees are using the same username to log into the Crow's Nest application and the mobile phone application. Also note that the PIN 4 digit is used on the Crow's Nest time clock application in addition to the mobile app. Now that we've configured the login information for this employee, we can look at the Crow's Nest time clock software again. We'll see that now his screen name is showing up along with his image, and if we were to try to clock in, we can use this 4-digit PIN, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should go ahead and let us clock in. His name is changed to green to show that he is currently clocked in. We'll also go ahead and test that this employee can log into the Crow's Nest software. So I will log out. We'll put in this employee's screen name and password that we set up and hit login. And one thing that you'll notice here is we're logged in as a new employee that his screen looks quite a bit different. Brand new employees are given very limited permissions. Just keep in mind that you'll need to edit employee permissions for each employee depending on what role you'd like them to have.